Difficulties.
Get a little aspect down there. We're going to fuck it.
Are you hitting it?
I'm gonna hit it like after you, but I'm gonna wait till you get the bottom and then film me.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I hit the fucking rock.
Oh my god. Are you good?
I mean, I seem to be good. We didn't see that rock before we went and did this. It's so fucking...
It is.
I'm trying to figure out a way to just hop on it.
Like, look how far down. Look at the backpack way down there. You see how fucking steep this shit is.
No, it's like straight up and down.
Honestly. Count it down before you do it. Dude, look how sick the woods look from up here, like across the road and everything else. I'm gonna have to start from up here.
Yeah, but like I said, there's just shit in the way. I'm not trying to come close to that log.
I feel.
Well, not the log,
The tree. And the log prior to when you moved. Camera's rolling, correct? The GoPro? Check the, there's something on this.
Now it's rolling.
It's rolling?
Stop it because we're difficult, dude. It's still fucking wild.
Hell yeah, it's wild, dude. Look at that. Let's get a little aspect down there. That's what we're going to fuck with right now. This big ass hill.
Are you hitting it?
I'm gonna hit it like after you, but like I'm gonna wait for you to get to the bottom and then film me. You know what I'm saying?
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I hit the fucking rock.
Oh my god. Are you good? Holy shit. No, we didn't. Did you hit your head?
I mean, I hit my head, but on the way.
Oh yeah, you're straight then. Dude, holy shit.
I hit my knee and that hurt.
Dude, I did not see that shit right there.